It's a parade inside my city. Stupid ass everybody outside. Hold on, make sure I go, yeah. Get my ass inside. Fuck, I got shit to do though. But yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog off on some shit. My hell, I need to stop cursing like a sailor. Man, look, man. But whatever. I'm gonna talk to you. I'm finna go get a little car wash. This shit raggedy than a bitch, but I'm gonna clean the inside of it. And yeah, that's that. And then we gonna see where else we going. But I probably don't vlog the rest of the shit. I just be picking and choosing what I vlog. But I'm out. Bitch, I know that hoe ain't looking at me. Oh shit, that's the police, bitch. Let me calm down. Man, get out that. This bitch better get out that road. They don't got no brakes on this hoe. Fuck. Don't be stupid. Nah, I'm playing. They got brakes on this bitch. Y'all hear that? Let me stop recording because I just be talking. It's too hot outside. Talking about hot. I mean like too much police. Too many damn people. Hold on. And this car. Oh, fuck. Look at the police. Like, I ain't got time. Bitch. That nigga had pulled out. Going straight. Bitch, I don't play with no police. Bitch, I get right. They got me fucked up. Fuck. Let me get to this shit. Y'all, what the fuck going on today? You feel me? Good eats today. What the a salad. What the we better get the fuck. So we got yum yums. Ooh, y'all know we gotta get that yum yum sauce. Ooh, this that motherfucker right here, y'all. With that yum yum. I'm about to sit down. Y'all don't even know how I'm feeling, man. Today was really a chill day. Wasn't too much. So I might carry this vlog over for tomorrow. See what we do tomorrow. At the range. Let's see how this go, y'all. I'm scared. I ain't gonna. I'm scared. For some reason. Them bitches flying, y'all. Ooh. Oh, got me. That big got me. So you can do that. Yeah, them boys. Let me do multiple. They act like I can't do three. Shit. Reloaded. Just left the range. Boy, that bitch, that was some thunder. Do by myself. I told you know I got a vlog for y'all and shit. I just be really chilling. And I'm gonna start vlogging. But let me go to the crib real quick, y'all. My whole phone dead. I can't. Man.
I can't cry to no bitch unless they